Okay, so today we're gonna talk about making your own Jello, and we're gonna use gamer farts in this situation. We should get a product about like this at the end of it. This is like a little diluted, but we can get a good flavor out of it. So our first step is to gather our ingredients together, and here we have 1 packet of Nox gelatin, which is what I would recommend, and our blessed guacamole gamer farts 9000. These are our 2 main ingredients other than our water. So what I would prefer doing is, I would say your best bet is to at least mix a little bit of Gamersupps with your gelatin. So I've got that nice small container. Gonna dump it right in, and then add a scoop or 2 of gamer fart powder to it. And then we'll just kind of give it a good shake and bake after we get, scoop out, a blessed scoop. And then just cap it and give it a good bit of shaking. Make sure it's mixed well together. I mean, this part isn't so important. You can add the Gamersupps later if you feel so inclined, but you should be kind of quick with it. So now we've got a beautiful powder left over that is mixed up together, and we can toss our lid off to the side because we don't need it anymore. And then we go and get our hot water. And with our hot water, we kind of start mixing in and blending in well our gelatin mixture into the water so that it is all dissolved into it. This is what will give us our nice jello-y texture to it. So we just kind of mix it all up nice and good. I would also recommend keeping track of how much you are going to be making and adding scoops as you need to make sure that you have a good flavor that you like and that the gelatin doesn't overpressure it, and also make sure to get any extra lumps out of it that you might find. So once you're done with dissolving everything into our hot boiled water mixture, all we have to do is add more cold water to it to get it just right, to give us plenty of that gelatin. Okay, again, make sure that you have enough gelatin flavor for the total amount of liquid that you're going to add to it. So, this batch did turn out okay. So, once you get that done, then you'll just go over and slap it right into the fridge, and then let it sit for a few hours, and then when you pull it out, you should have a nice gelatiny product left over that will be your fantastic flavor that in the end, and be a fantastic Jello that you probably paid way less for than you would pay for otherwise for just a standard cherry or whatever flavor. And it's a good flavor that you can enjoy. Remember, guys, if you appreciate what you saw, if any of this helped you, you can scream at me on Discord, on Guilded, on any of the other chat things, on Matrix and whatnot. Links are down in the description. I believe I've even included my XMPP in there. Check it all out, and drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think at all, any of that kind of stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.